Ugendi nĩ ĩmwe ya njĩra iria thirikari ĩhũthĩraga gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gũkĩria ũtonga wa bũrũri, na nĩ gĩtũmi gĩkĩ gĩtũmĩte rũhonge rwa ugendi KTB kwarĩra mitaratara mĩerũ ya gũtigĩrĩra ithabu rĩa agendi nĩ rĩrongerereka. Rũhonge rũrũ rĩu nĩ rwĩranĩire kũrutithania wĩra na njĩra ya hakuhĩ na rũhonge rwa nyamũ cia gĩthaka KWS hamwe na thirikari cia kaunti na muoroto wa gũkũria ithabu rĩa agendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
And this campaign is dubbed "You Deserve a Holiday." Because don't we all deserve a holiday?
Most of us and most people generally, they don't have time to be able to go to where the event normally happens. So they lack a lot of information. So as much as we'd want to go and travel and be able to make a bit of having fun out there, people lack the information to do that. So we do appreciate and the ministry and also the tourism for making this event happen for us to be able to come over.
As people travel, they boost economies within that area.
Kenya makoretwo matagwĩtĩkĩra ugendi mũno. Meciria mate ugendi nĩ wa arĩa maumaga nja wa bũrũri, na meciria maya nĩmo KTB rongoreirie kũnina.
So the whole essence of this campaign is to really marshal Kenyans, encourage Kenyans to travel within Kenya. And they also have got an option of kulipa pole pole.
The last 2 years, the country kind of locked. There was a lot of lockdown. So people tended to be isolated with whatever is happening out there. So I believe it is a way of us getting more information, getting to venture out there and know what is happening. People mingle. It may not necessarily be just to have leisure. Actually, even the businesses out there, when people meet and are able to talk and discuss, it's when you're able to get to know more.
Lakini siku ya leo nimeweza kuelimishwa, nimepata hawa hapa ambao wanaelimisha na kuonyesha watu njia ambazo wanafaa kuzifuata, na kwangu nimeona ikiwa rahisi sana. Kwa sababu wakati una travel na hujui mahali ambapo unaenda, inakuwa ni ngumu.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo maabitha KTB nĩ macerete kũmwe gwa kũrĩa agendi mathiaga na kũgeria kwaranĩria na kuona njĩra ya kũnyihia marĩhi marĩa mabatiĩ kũrĩhwo ĩrĩ njĩra ya kugiciriria Kenya ugendi-inĩ.
We are targeting various regions where we are able to go to various regions, put up, even be there for a whole weekend. We interact with consumers in that region.
As we scale up travel and tourism, it is to the big advantage of our grassroots business community.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kĩmani wa Njira.